Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Southdown Garage. My name is Kurt. Today you're here because your vehicle won't start or you're having some issues starting. So first things first, we want to go ahead and get in the vehicle. And oh, those shocks are so great. They work so nice. So then next you want to get under the battery compartment here. Okay, so your battery is back here, your ground right there, and your positive post is back here. So then we can go ahead and we can connect our battery charger. If you're using jumper cables, that's fine. So we've put it on a 2 amp charge. So we're going to go ahead and charge that up. One thing to keep in mind is you want to be in a well ventilated area when you're doing this. If you're attaching jumper cables, you do exactly the same thing. You're going to attach your positive cable first to this post here, like you see right here, and then you're going to attach your negative last. You want to attach the negative last on the vehicle that is not running and hook the other vehicle up first. So just make sure that this negative post is the last thing you do if this is what's going on with your vehicle. All right, I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and let me know how we did in the comments. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day, take care, and see you later. Bye for now.